Welcome to this video, where we'll discuss how to use NuTune Music Scales to create everyday in-class and at-home assignments for your students. The first step is to create the specific assignment that you want your students to practice. First, select the instrument type. In this example, let's use the cello. Then use the Edit button to specify the exact scale you want your students to practice. For this example, let's use a D major 2-octave scale at 110 beats per minute using quarter notes and repeating the top note. Once you've specified the exact scale you want your students to practice, hit the Copy to Clipboard button right at the bottom of the page. You can then email this to your students or post it to any classroom website that you use to assign homework. When your students access your assignment, they can copy the exact link that you send them and paste it using this button right below the Copy to Clipboard that says Paste from Clipboard. This will allow your students to auto-populate the exact scale that you've assigned and begin to practice. Access NuTune on any device, including the web, anytime and anywhere.